Now you will see different ways to withdraw from CWallet to your crypto wallet, bank account and to your payment card. Watch this video until the end to learn all the best methods for you. First, let me explain to you what CWallet is, because I noticed there is some confusion about it online. In a nutshell, CWallet is a crypto platform that allows you to store and trade crypto. And notice that even though its name has wallet and here it says crypto wallet, it's not the crypto wallet in a traditional sense. In my opinion, it's closer to a crypto exchange such as BYBIT, MEXC and other ones than a crypto wallet such as Trust or MetaMask and other ones. For example, on CWallet you can create your account using an email address and you don't need to pay transaction fees in a specific currency, as I will show you in a moment. Now that you have the background info, let's start going through the withdrawal processes, starting from the bank withdrawals to crypto withdrawal and then the card withdrawal in the end. A direct bank withdrawal works by clicking this bank icon here that says buy/sell. So you click it. And then you choose the currency, what you want to buy or sell. If you want to withdraw, you obviously want to sell. Then you choose the currency that you want to receive by clicking this one right here, and you are able to scroll here and find your currency. Notice that if this feature is not available in your location or you don't find your currency here, you can do the following. You can transfer from CWallet to another crypto exchange and then to bank, and I will show you that crypto withdrawal in a moment, but now let's go through this one. So let's say that you would want to withdraw euros, for example. You can click here euro and then you choose here the method on how to receive it. Notice that for some methods they have a certain minimum and also the maximum. Here is the Alchemy Pay. It says that this one gives the best price, meanwhile these take higher fees. And here you can choose the amount by typing it here. For example, 100, and now you can again change the payment method because now you are within the limits. Here it shows how much to receive. You can click here review and sell. Here you can click sell now, and then you will be taken to a third-party provider, in this case Alchemy Pay. You could click here sell USDT and then choose a payout method, so where to receive the funds, and you can go through the details. Then if I go back again, let me choose here another currency, for example US dollar. Let's choose some amount right here. You can choose here the payment method. In this case there is only Alchemy Pay available, and then again you review and you follow through the process. Again, if this doesn't work in your location, then simply withdraw first using crypto to another exchange and then from there to your bank. And we will go through that process right now. When you withdraw crypto on CWallet, you click here pay. Surprisingly, it says pay instead of withdraw or send like in other crypto accounts or crypto wallets. After you click this one, it will open for you this view, and here you can choose which currency you want to withdraw. At the moment I have USDT available, so I will click that one, and then you are able to type the address here, choose the amount here and choose the network here. Let me transfer the funds into my BYBIT account. I open the BYBIT app, I click here deposit crypto, then I click here USDT, I choose here BSC BEP20, I click here to copy the address, it says copied successfully, I click here send to. I have pasted the address on the top. Here I can choose the network, and now I will choose the same network as on BYBIT. So I choose here BEP20. Now it shows the network on top. It shows the currency right here, and I will choose the amount. You can choose the percentage right here, or you can type the amount manually. Let me type here 100 manually. Then I click here review and send. And now double check 3 things. First, that you are withdrawing correct coin. Second, that you are using the correct network. And third, that you are sending it to the correct address. Notice that even though it says here gas fee, you don't need to pay it in the specific currency as usually with crypto wallets. For example, typically when you withdraw using BYBIT, you would need to have BNB, or in Tron chain you would need to have some TRC in your wallet. In this case you need to have only USDT because this is more like a crypto exchange than a traditional wallet. Then you can click here send now. You put the payment pin here and I will show you the rest once the withdrawal has come through. You can see that the transaction was sent and you can see I got the deposit confirmation from BYBIT. I received the funds successfully. I will show in a moment different ways on how you can use the funds on your BYBIT, which is of course one of the best crypto apps in the world. But first let's talk about the card withdrawals. So when you want to withdraw from CWallet the different payment cards, that's also a great option. Then you can use your crypto and your funds directly in real life to pay for your living costs. One option is of course using the CWallet Cozy card that you can see right here. You click it and then you can click here apply for a new card, and here you can choose to apply for a virtual card or a physical card. But do notice that if you apply for a card you will need to do a KYC and there may be an activation fee with the CWallet card. If I click here for apply, it says that KYC verification needs to be done and also the card holder information. The reason for that is that typically these card providers like Visa or MasterCard provide by law the KYC, and that's why CWallet and also other crypto platforms are required to ask for it because the card providers ask. You can see that they provide Visa cards and also MasterCards and also a VIP card. There are also many other great crypto cards, including the BYBIT card right here, which is the world famous one. It's available in more countries than probably any other crypto card, so I highly recommend that one for you. And then there are also many other ones as I show you in my video right here. BitGet card, RedOutPay, Crypto.com, Binance card, and you see even more in my other videos on my YouTube channel. I recommend that you get as many crypto cards as possible, so then you always have a plan B or plan C if one of your cards doesn't work a specific day, or if you need a backup card in case you lose one of your cards physically or you drop it somewhere on the street. And now let me share with you a few words about this BYBIT crypto app. From here you can directly withdraw funds to your bank account through this asset section, and then you come into funding account, you click here for fiat, and if you have euros there you click for that one and you click here withdraw, and here you can withdraw euros to your bank accounts, and this also works for other currencies. Another option to withdraw to bank is using this peer-to-peer right here. You can click for sell, and here on top you are able to choose the currency you want to receive. You notice there are much more currencies available than on the CWallet app, so this gives you much more flexibility. Then BYBIT has also much more trading products available, including spot trading right here on the middle. You can click here for plus. Then I click to transfer the 100 USDT that I just received. I click here confirm. And I scroll this one right here, I click here buy, and that's how the trading is done. Also futures trading is available right here, and you will see your positions on the bottom, and you are even able to trade TradFi like forex, stocks, indices and other ones, and they also provide automated trading bots right here if you want to automate your trading. BYBIT is also famous for providing some of the best rewards in the crypto industry that you can find here in the rewards hub, and you will find savings accounts here on the finance section where you can give a boost for your funds and get even crypto loans. I will leave you a direct link in the description for BYBIT, so you will click it and you will land on the BYBIT registration page where you are able to see the welcome rewards and click here Get My Welcome Gifts.